Are you thinking about coming to Ocean Beach, California? If you are, please take a few minutes to tour this little-known amazing beach town of San Diego. All photos and video from Heartlight Studios. The People's Republic of Ocean Beach is the most unique beach town in California. It is home to Hodad's famous burgers, the world's longest cement ocean pier, lovers and legacy tide pools, the Blackhead Shop, the Newport Street Corner Beach Wall, and Sunset Cliffs. This town has not changed since 1970. It is a stroll back in time. Sing in the sunshine, come to Ocean Beach. Everyone greets you with a smile. It's a magical little place. You will see. Blessings on your journey. Believe me, you will not regret it.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the time of your life? It's time to stand up and fight. It's alright, it's alright. Hand in hand we'll take a caravan to the motherland. One by one we're gonna stand up with pride, one that can't be denied. Stand up, stand up. From the highest mountain valley low, we'll join together with hearts of gold. Now the children of the world can see this is a better place for us to be. The place in which we were born, so neglected and torn apart. Every woman, every man, join the caravan of love. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Everybody take a stand. Join the caravan of love. Stand up, stand up, stand up. I'm your brother. I'm your brother, don't you know? She's my sister. She's my sister, don't you know? We'll be living in a world of peace, in the day when everyone is free. We'll bring the young and the old. Won't you let your love flow from your heart? Every woman, every man, join the caravan of love. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Everybody take a stand. Join the caravan of love. Stand up, stand up, stand up. I'm your brother. I'm your brother, don't you know? She's my sister. My sister, don't you know? Waiting for the caravan. Are you ready? He's coming. Are you ready? He's coming. Are you ready? He's coming. Are you ready? You better get ready. Don't worry. You better get ready. Don't worry. You better get ready. Don't worry. You better get ready.
We'll sing in the sunshine. We laugh every day. We'll sing in the sunshine. Then I'll be on my way. I will never love you. The cost of love's too dear. But though I'll never love you, I'll live with you 1 year sing in the sunshine. We laugh every day. We'll sing in the sunshine. Then I'll be on my way. I'll sing to you each morning, love you every night. But baby, don't cling to me, I'll soon be out of sight. But we can sing in the sunshine. We laugh every day. We'll sing in the sunshine. Then I'll be on my way. My daddy, he once told me, don't you love you any man, just take what they may give you, and give but what you can. And you can sing in the sunshine. You know you laugh every day. You'll sing in the sunshine. Then be on your way. And when our year has ended and I have gone away, you'll often speak about me, and this is what you'll say. We sang in the sunshine. You know we laughed every day. We sang in the sunshine. Then she went on her way.
If my words did glow with the gold of sunshine, and my tunes were played on the harp unstrung, would you hear my voice come through the music? Would you hold it near as it were your own? It's a hand-me-down. The thoughts are broken. Perhaps they're better left unsung. I don't know. Don't really care. Let there be songs to fill the air. Ripple in still water when there is no pebble tossed, nor wind to blow. Reach out to
This is so good.
if your cup be empty, if your cup is full, may it be again, let it be known. There is a fountain that was not made by the hands of men. There is a road, no simple highway between the dawn and the dark of night. And if you go, no one may follow. That path is for your steps alone.